All right, today's video is a review of the STANLEY Rolling Work Center Toolbox. For more information on the product, I've included a link in the description box down below, which is updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
My review of the STANLEY Rolling Workshop. I'm going to break down all the features, everything I like about it. I'll even open up some of the case so you can see how it's organized inside. So I've been using this toolbox for about 7 years. It's a great toolbox to keep at home, in your garage, your workshop, or if you're traveling, you have to travel to like a family member's house to fix something. You can bring all your tools and roll this along with you. So as you can see, the toolbox has 3 compartments: the one on the top, the one in the middle, and the one at the bottom there. You have 2 options to maneuver this toolbox. First option is to pick it up by the handle here, like so. And the third option is to use this handle to roll it, as you see, like so. Alright. So as you can see, it has 2 latches here. You just unlatch there and there. Pick it up. As you see, it has this top shelf here. And it also has the lower shelving there, or the lower case compartment there. Top shelf, you can put your quick small stuff so you can grab quickly. That's the reason for that. You close it here, and we'll move to the middle case. To access that, you need to latch here, unlatch here. You can just take it off. And here you keep your socket wrenches and socket attachment. I can show you that there. And then you have the lower case here, and it's a deep case for all your larger tools, etc. This case right here sits on top, so you have a lot of space to put a bunch of large tools. As you can see, I have some large tools sitting in there now, large wrenches, etc. All right, so again, it's a great toolbox to use at home, or if you are on the job site, or if you like to travel with your tools to go to a family member's house to fix things, etc.
So that's it for the review. Please see additional product info in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.